Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Anggra Okta Saputra, NIM 19074005. Here I want to explain about the steering system. The steering system has a function to adjust the direction of the vehicle by turning the front wheel so that they can turn. The direction of motion is adjusted by the driver by turning the steering wheel according to the direction he wants. Basically, the design of the steering system is carried out to enable the driver to control the direction of the vehicle precisely and with minimum power. How the steering system works? When the steering wheel is turned, the steering wheel will transmit the rotating power to the steering gear. The steering gear engages this rotational power so that a greater punter moment is generated to be transmitted to the steering ring. The steering gear will continue the steering gear movement through the T-rod and ball joint and then to front wheels. In order for the steering system to suit its function, it must meet the glowing requirement: good agility, good driving off-road, something recovery, shock removal from the road surface should be as minimal as possible. The main parts of the steering system: steering wheel. The steering wheel is used by the driver to move the steering system by turning it right or left. There are 30 types of steering wheel, namely longer, small, elliptical, large from. This from has an effective strip of power, namely getting a large movement so that when turning the vehicle it will feel like hair and more stably. The disadvantage is that it takes up space. This is applied to large passenger cars such as buses, trucks, and others. Small from. This spec is the opposite of the large from. It does not take up speak and English, sensitive to every moment fit given to it, so that turning obviously requires a lot of power. This is applied to passenger cars, such as carry Kichang and other. At least speak, this from is a combination of longer and small space because when going straight a sensitive steering is needed, and when turning a big movement, this movement handle boards. Base steering column. Steering column consists of the main shaft which transmits the steering wheel of the steering gear and the column to which is the main shaft to the body. The upper end of the main shaft in Made Stafford and Made is a place to the steering wheel with fastener. The lower part of the main shaft in connect of the steering gear used flexibly joint or unison function to halt and minimal shock from the steering gear to the steering gear caused by road condition. The steering column must be able to absorb the thrust from the driver and beat to the body through the breakaway type column brake so that it can slide down when a collision occurs. In central pinless, the steering column is equipped with steering lock with function to lock the main shaft, tilt steering with function to allow the driver to adjust the vertical steering wheel position. Telescopic steering wheel function to adjust the leg of the main shaft in order to adjust an approach fiction. Steering gear. Steering gear serves to direct the front wheels, and the selective also function as a reduction gear to increase the moment so that the steering becomes lighter. There are several types of steering gear, and the ones that are wheels used are the revolving ball and rack and pinion types. Type requires bell shaft or work shaft so that the steering will move horizontally to the left or right. While the knot is moving, the sector shaft also rotation move the fitment arm with is forwarded to the front will through the steering rod. Type rock and pinion how it works when the steering wheel is turned. Then the movement is forward to the pinion gear. The pinion gear will then move the rock gear in the horizontal direction. Movement of the rock condition of steering cannot throw and the rod so that will turn. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.